How to make a heart in Minecraft. There are different ways to make a heart in Minecraft, depending on the size, shape, and color you want. Here are some possible methods. 2D heart. You can make a simple 2D heart by using red wool blocks. Start by placing 2 red wool blocks next to each other on the ground. Then, add 4 more red wool blocks diagonally on each side, going up. Finally, add 2 more red wool blocks on the top of each side, forming the curves of the heart. You can also use black wool blocks to outline the heart shape for more contrast. 3D heart. You can make a more realistic 3D heart by adding depth and layers to your 2D heart. To do this, you need to place smaller hearts on the front and back of your 2D heart, using red and black wool blocks. You can also hollow out the inside of the heart and turn it into a house or a storage room. Heart fountain. You can make a beautiful heart fountain by using water and glass blocks. To do this, you need to create a heart-shaped basin with glass blocks, leaving a 1-block gap in the middle. Then, place a water source block on the top of the gap, and watch the water flow down into the basin. You can also add some flowers or lights around the fountain to make it more attractive. Heart fireworks. You can make a spectacular heart fireworks display by using dispensers and fireworks. To do this, you need to place dispensers in a heart-shaped pattern on the ground, and fill them with fireworks. Then, connect the dispensers with redstone dust and a lever, and activate the lever to launch the fireworks. You can also customize the fireworks with different colors and effects.